your YouTube shit, dude.
Yo, thank you, man.
Oh my gosh, y'all got a fucking trio of like doom, bro.
Pay to lose. You can find the eggs.
I did. She gave me it for
I missed out on that $3 already.
Get away from my eggs!
Get it home! You
Oh man,
that
he's
egg.
strong.
Now get it home!
Oh god,
Everything's a little early now. That's so fast. Curry still wasn't that big of an issue until that.
I didn't even know if that's a
No, it's a glitch. I just haven't seen it. I didn't really That's like the bad part about this bird. Like, you're not used to it when the stuff happens.
You can meet for words to your right. Don't make unnecessary steps in your life. So if it don't seem right, and you know it don't seem right, then don't do it. For me, made it more deep than it needs to be. Let me live how the people be. I do right quick, yeah, SIC. Putting up real quick like Jeff Hardy. By the cook, Chef Boyardee. I do not mean to catch your party. Natural shit, don't want no Barbies. I might catch this and sit you like O'Cardi. Cash, no tax on my neck, no tax on my arm. Had to put myself in check, don't try to overfall. But here you go, we get good, take care of my heart. I got a ball to catch, I got a ball to catch. Let's go hit the park. You must find what you're looking for. Just use your eyes. Some says you wanna see more.
Screw all of y'all, bruh.
Yeah,
these
those are
guys
these
in my
guys.
life.
Dude, I don't even know these people.
Super.
I'm actually Steam friends with Charlie Deegan 212.
Yeah, well, guess what? I'm Steam friends with Steven, bro. So
Steven here.
Yo, I love
about that?
Steven.
Yo, fuck Charlie Deegan 212. Charlie Deegan 212. What is that? His fucking address?
Bro's named Mr. Saturday and he's laughing. I know you ain't fucking.
Oh hell no,
gallery,
nigga.
bro.
Don't get with me, nigga. I'll pack you up real quick, nigga. Boy, yo ass nigga, fucking super nigga, fucking bird game ass nigga, fucking 46 ass.
Yo,
nigga,
shut up.
I know you're the whitest motherfucker in the lobby.
Shut up!
Yeah,
I'm gonna
still
mute
going.
you.
No, don't mute me.
That guy.
You're making me angry.
That guy getting on his ass.
Wait, why is Matan even here?
Boy, I'm really about to get on your 4-letter
Name 10
fucking bird
birds.
game. No brain.
Yo, shut up! I'm not trying to listen to that.
Bro's name Matan.
Fucking big
Shut
turn
up.
hummingbird.
4-letter name, bird game. Playing ass.
Bro's name Charlie Deegan 212.
Charlie Kirk 212.
You know what the 2-1-2
Who's only bacon?
Bro, I might actually just leave this lobby. I'm gonna have 2 level 4s,
2-1-2 Lionel
bro.
Court, Severna Park,
Oh
Maryland.
god, I'm gonna have
6.
2 level 4s on my team. Oh
Yo,
god.
shut up, bro.
Oh god.
You're so
I'm gonna have 2
annoying.
level 4s,
I
dude.
don't want to
Four,
listen
bro.
to
I
you
grinded this thing that
yapping.
just
34,
came out,
prestige
and
twice
I'm
in this
already
game.
level 34. Fuck.
Stop
Yeah,
yapping.
bro, this guy's level 34 already.
Oh
Can you
my
imagine?
goodness,
Oh
did
my
no one ever
God.
teach you how to be quiet?
Raccoon, you should watch my guide. You might learn something, bro.
Have you guys watched my video?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, have you watched my video?
Yo.
Wait, have you watched
Can you
my
guys
video?
watch my video?
Wait, if you look up
Video?
Sunny D
Shut the fuck
or
up about your video, nigga.
you should watch my video.
Yo, it's a
Watch my
joke, you
video, I'm
retard.
sure.
Maybe
I don't
if you're
give a fuck,
new
nigga.
to the fucking game, you dumbass
Guys,
bitch.
I don't give a fuck, nigga.
guys,
You're a good joke. I've been working on material.
No.
Anybody?
Yo,
can we put this
in the video?
I'll listen.
I was on the street the other day. You hear about this? See this? You hear about this?
Wait, guys, did you
saw-
see Charlie
I saw an
Geegan 212's video?
Guys, can you watch my video?
Yo, Ingrid, what's your team, bro?
Oh, it's just me and Invert. Yeah.
Have you guys
look
seen-
at that.
Ah,
me,
what's
Invert.
good? Holy